Hi Kennedy kids, it's Miss Paulson, and this video is a little different than what I've been doing. This is really meant for our kinders, first grade, possibly second grade, our students in the DLC, our students in our ERC possibly. It's just like a simple motion song for you to copy me and sing along with. It'll be in Spanish twice and then in English. Even if you don't speak Spanish, don't worry, it's really, really, really easy. And if you're older, just know this song, like you can sing along to it, but just know it's really intended for the smaller little guys. This is Mi Cuerpo. Copy me. Sometimes I'll stop my feet and you won't be able to see it, but you could probably figure it out. Mi cuerpo, hace música. Mi cuerpo, hace música. Mis manos hacen, mis pies hacen, mi boca hace la la la. Mi cuerpo hace cha cha cha. Mi cuerpo hace música. Mi cuerpo hace música. Mis manos hacen, mis pies hacen, mi boca hace la la la. Mi cuerpo hace cha cha. My body makes music, it's easy you will see. My body makes music, it's easy you will see. My hands go. My feet go. My mouth goes la la la. My body does the cha cha cha. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys whenever.